Hi guys, Jeff from Fluent English Tutoring here, and today we're going to be looking at prepositions of place. This is a video I made because so many people have been asking me, Jeff, what's the difference between this preposition or that preposition, and basically many people are always confused using these prepositions. So I actually made an entire playlist of prepositions, but in today's video we're going to look at prepositions of place. And still with this, I split this topic into three parts. So you have prepositions of place one, two, and three. So in this video, we're going to look at prepositions of place one. And I hope that you get to understand the clear differences. We're going to look at four prepositions of place in this video. I hope you get to understand the differences between these prepositions and when to use them. So guys, let's jump in. So we are going to be looking at prepositions of place, and this topic has been split into three parts for easy understanding. So we're going to start with the first part, that's prepositions of place one. And prepositions of place are just words or group of words that are placed before a noun to make reference to a place, a location, etc. So in this video, we're going to be looking at four prepositions of place: in, at, on, and near. So let's dive right in. The first preposition of place is in, and in makes reference to an area or a space. So we use the preposition in to talk about people, things, animals that are inside an area or space. For example, the chefs are in their kitchen. That means that they are enclosed, they are inside that space, the kitchen, the space. The marketing team is in the meeting room. So the meeting room is the space they are inside. However, we also use in for cities and countries. For example, Janice is in New York, Paul is in China. So we're going to proceed to the next one. At. At makes reference to a specific location. For example, the children are at school. The woman is at the hospital. Now we also use at to talk about specific times, for example, at noon, at 3 p.m., at sunrise, etc. And to understand the difference between at and in, let's compare these two situations. The first one, the students are at school, they are in a classroom. So are at school is the location, it's referencing the location where they are. But in a classroom is referencing the area they are inside. The chefs are at the restaurant. At the restaurant references the location, restaurant, but in the kitchen references the space they are inside. Okay, the next preposition is on, and on makes reference to a suffix. So we use the preposition on to talk about people, animals, things that are supported by a suffix. For example, the couple is on the bed. So the bed is the suffix supporting the couple. The children are on the floor. The floor is the suffix supporting the children. And the next preposition is near. So near makes reference to another thing which is close to the main thing. So we use the preposition near to talk about things that are close to something. For example, the man is near the swimming pool. The raccoon is near the ball. All right, guys. So just to get a quick summary, the preposition in is used to talk about people, things that are inside an area or surface or space rather, and we can also use it for cities and countries. At is used to talk about locations. We can also use it to talk about specific times, for example, at noon or 3 p.m. at sunrise. On is used to talk about people or things that are supported by a suffix. And near is used to talk about people, things, or animals that are close to something. Okay, guys, so that's it for this video, and We are going to be looking at the second part, that's prepositions of place 2, in the next video. So please be sure to check out the next video for prepositions of place 2.
All right, guys. So that was it for prepositions of place one. I hope you understood. I hope you got your doubts cleared. Feel free to ask any questions or drop any comments in the comment section, and I promise I'm going to reply.